This is a video from eSkills Zone. For more videos, notes, and certificates, please visit www.eskillszone.com.
Hello and welcome. Hi viewers. Today in this video we will discuss some more short question and answers of chapter subprogram and file handling in GW basic programming language, and we will start from question number 51. In our previous videos we have discussed and completed total 50 questions starting from question number 1. Now in this video we will start from question number 51, and the question is: describe the way of opening, closing, reading and writing in a sequential file. First we will discuss the opening file. So for opening file, the commands are open any file name like file name .ext extension for mode as hash buffer for example open data.dat, or you can type txt. It's an extension for output as #1, which is the buffer memory location. Next, closing files. Format is close hash buffer example is, for example, #50 close #1. So whenever we use hash, it means that we are going to use any buffer location number. So hash is used to identify as #1 means buffer location number 1 is 1, and here's again we have used #1 buffer location number 1 with close statement. Now we'll discuss reading file. For this, the format is to read a file input hash statement is used as input hash 1, store name stu roll number. Stu is used for student. Stu grade, or you can type st grade. We can use this for reading files. And now we'll discuss writing files. to write data. To a file, we use write hash statement is used as write hash 1 stu name stu rn means roll number, student roll, and st grade is used for student grade. So this is how we can actually describe the way of opening, closing, reading, and writing files. Next question, number 52. The question is, differentiate between data file and program file. So first we will discuss data file. It contains data and information. These files are linked with program files during runtime or compilation time. Now we'll discuss program file. It contains instructions for the computer. These files perform different operations on data file, like sorting, reading, writing, etc. Next number 53. Question is, write down the purpose of the following functions, like ABS, int, SQR, sign, tab. So we'll make a table like this. We will draw 3 columns for each function. In the first, we'll type ABS function. And then we'll type x as an argument, and then ABS x argument is passed. So the purpose is to print absolute value. If we give a value like -5, then ABS will give us absolute 5 is an unsigned 5, and the syntax is used as ABS, and then x is passed as an argument. And if we give -10.4 like this, then the answer will be 10.4, an unsigned integer. And the example is like -9.10. If we give the value of x, then the answer will be 9. Now the next function is fixed function. So we'll make the same table, but here I'm gonna highlight it, like I'm gonna give a different color. Next function, fixed function. So we'll write down the name of fix, fix fix. Now I'm going to discuss this function, fix function. And if you pass x as an argument, then we will type fix x like this. And it is used to actually to print integer value. And you can type fix x is passed as an argument, and then if we give a value like over here -5.3, then the answer will be -5. And if we give 10.4, then the answer will be 10, because it skips the decimal fractional part. And the example is 9.8 will always give us a value of 9, because again the fractional part will be ignored and only the integral part will be displayed on the screen by using the fixed function. Next function, int. and if you pass x as an argument for this function, then the purpose is to get integer value. Like if we give 3.999, then the answer will be 3, and then the syntax is int end with x, and we give 15, then it gives us 15. And if we pass 0.52 is a real number, then it ignores the fractional decimal part and just gives us the integral part, which is 0, like this. Next function, sqr function. And if we give x as an argument in sqr, the purpose is to print square root of a given number. Like if we give 25, then the answer will be 5, and the syntax is we will type sqr, name of the function, system defined function. If we give 4, then the answer will be 2, and if we pass 9 as an argument, then the answer will always be 3. Very simple function, very helpful in calculating the square root of any given value. Next function, log function. Log is the name of this function, and it is used to print the logarithm. If you pass 80, then the answer will be 1.9030, and the syntax is log is the name of the function logarithm, and x can be passed as an argument, any value. If you give 10, then the answer will be 2.3025, and if you give 25 as an argument for value x, then the answer will be 1.3979. So viewers, in this video we have discussed total 3 questions, starting from 51 and ending at 53. We have discussed different definitions and with examples and with their syntax and purposes. That's all. Thanks for watching.